Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel from Just Perfect Designs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create a beautiful landing page for what you do. For this tutorial, it's going to be a fitness trainer, but you can actually do this with either you want to sell your ebooks, or you want to sell your products, or if you're a programmer or a freelancer of any sort. So let's see what we are going to be creating in this video. Alright, we have the home page, which is practically what you see right now. In the header section, we have on the left hand side the logo, and then on the right hand side we have the navigation menu. Alright, so in the navigation we have the home, we have about me, we have the training, we have rates, we have gallery, client, testimonials, and then contact. And when you click on about me, it takes you to the about me section, and then when you click on the training, it takes you to the training section, and when you click on the rate, it takes you to the rate section, and so on and like that. So let's just scroll through and see the complete website we'll be creating in this video. So if you like what you see, stay tuned to the end of this video and you will get all these up and running for your own brand or your own product or your own services of any sort that you do. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. And please, before we go further, I would like to say that this is my first video on YouTube. So please, if you find this interesting and helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification, so when I upload new content like this, because I'm going to be doing this at least twice in a week, so when I upload new content like this every week, you get notified. And please do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you. So, like I said, we are going to be creating this website for free. It's all completely free. We're going to be getting a free domain, a free web hosting, and then a free page builder to also help us customize it to our taste. So the first thing you want to do is we need to get the free domain. So you want to come down to your new tab, and then you want to basically type in freenom.com, and then once it loads, you want to come in and sign in. If you want to come in and sign in right here, I already have an account with them, so I'm not going to be registering a new account. But if you know that you want to use the service, you should probably register. So alright, I'm in right now, and then the next step I'm going to take is come over here to the top and then hit the services button, and then I'll search for register a new domain, because of course that's why we are here. So register a new domain. Alright, so you have your search bar here, and then this is where you type in the name you want to use for your website. Mine is going to be let's say trainer touch. I'm gonna just do trainer touch, and then I'm gonna hit the check availability button there. So it gives you several options, and all these are free. You have the .ck, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq. But I'm gonna be hitting the .cf button, and then I'm gonna be clicking on get it now. Okay, so I'll scroll down and then I'll hit the checkout button. Alright, so in this section all you need to do right here, you just come under the where it says period. You want to increase it from 3 months to 12 months, and you can see that it says free right here. So just click on continue. Okay, so what you want to do right now is complete the order. I'm sorry, you need to first of all check the I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on complete order. Alright, so once this is done, you can just come down here and go to my domains under the services section, and then this is the new domain you just registered. So you want to click on manage domain. Okay, so the next step is to get the hosting. Now open up a new tab and then type in infinityfree.net, infinityfree.net, and then you want to create a free hosting right here. You come down and then you click on sign up. Okay, probably I'm logged in right now, but I'm gonna sign out so I can do this. So you see, I want to sign up with another account. Let's say just perfect tutorials gmail.com, and then password. I'm gonna put a random password there. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit the I've read and agree to the terms of services, and then I'm gonna click on I'm not a robot, and then click on the create new. Alright, I'll have to save my password right here. Okay, and then it's telling you that an email has been sent to this email address that you provided for them. So all you need to do is log into that email account where you receive the details that have been sent to you there. Alright, here you can see the email from Infinity Free. So I'm just going to open it up and then click on verify email address. Okay, since it is verified, you are now in your account area. So what you want to do right now is click on create account. By creating an account, you'll be able to add your domain and then get your WordPress website up and running. So since we have our own domain, what we want to do is click on custom domain, and then you come back to your Freenom website, and then you copy your main domain that you just created. You copy it and you simply paste it here. So what you do next is you click on this learn more, but try to open it in another tab. So you open it in another tab, and then you come right here, and then you scroll down and see where it says and before you change your name server, you need to fill out which name servers you should use for Infinity Free. The correct name servers are, so you copy these name servers, copy this, and then you come back to your Freenom account, and then you want to click on manage tools right here, management tools rather, and then under management tools you see name servers, and then you click on that. So it brings you to this tab, and you click on use custom name servers, and then you enter the name server you just copied, you put it right here. So I'm going to paste it here. I'll come back here again, copy the second one, and then go back and paste it in name server 2. And then I'm just going to click on change name servers. That is pretty much everything you need to do. So right now you just come right here and say search domain. So it's going to tell you that the domain is available, so create a hosting account. Okay, so this is the domain. They are creating a website for this domain you provided for them. So your account username has already been set, your account password is automatic. Then all you need to do is click I'm not a robot, and then try to match up whatever they ask you to do. And if you see that you don't understand or you don't see the pattern they are giving you, you can just click on this icon to give you the next option. See, okay, so right here I'm just going to click on this and this and then this, and then I'll hit verify. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create account. Alright, so here we are. All you need to do right now is click on view in client area, and then it brings you to this tab. So what you do right now is click on this control panel. Okay, so just come down here and say I approve. Alright, so basically what you need to do right now is scroll down, and under the software you see where it says Softaculous Apps Installer. The Softaculous Apps Installer, you want to click on that and it will open it in another tab. Many times it says something went wrong, please allow 20 minutes, then we try. So what you need to do is wait for a while, just maybe many times not up to 20 minutes, so you just wait for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can click on it again. Alright, I think this is it. Okay, so we are finally here. So what you want to do now is hover over the WordPress right here and then click on install. So it brings you to this tab. You don't really need to do much here. What you can do is change the name of your website to maybe fitness trainer or whatever you do. I'm just going to leave mine as that, and then I'm going to say make okay, so that's what I'm going to say right there. And then the admin area, you want to put in something, something you can easily remember that you'll be using often, because this is what you'll be logging into your website dashboard with every now and then. And then the password, I'm just going to leave mine as this and probably copy it, and then maybe open a notepad and paste it. The reason why I'm doing this is I don't want them to give me any error here, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it in my notepad. I can always change it later on. So the email address, you leave it as that, and then all you need to do is ignore all these templates here. So all you need to do is come down here and click on install. So you wait for a while. It should take maybe up to 1 minute or so. Alright, so it's done. That's pretty much it. All you need to do right now, if you want to see your website, you can just click on this link right here and it will take you to your website. So this is how your website look like right now. This is what it looks like. So to go to the admin area, you can do two things. Number one, you can either come here and then after your website URL, which is your domain, you can put a / and then say wp admin, and then when you hit OK, it brings you to this tab where you have to register, or you can just come in here and hit the administrative URL, and that takes you in here directly, brings you to your dashboard directly. Right here you can just put your admin and then the password you used for that stuff, for opening the account. Okay, so since we are already here, the next step to do is to go to your appearance and then go to themes. In here we already have the default theme set to 2020, and what you need to do is come up here and click on add new, or you can actually click on this big icon there, and then you want to search for Astra, A-S-T-R-A, Astra, and the first one that comes up here, just click on install. Wait for it to install. And then once it's done, you hit the activate button. Okay, so we have our Astra theme activated, and to make your website a little bit lighter without so it can load fast and all that, without much weight, all you need to do is delete all these other themes that you know you're not making use of. You just delete them, because there's no point leaving them there. They only make your website a bit slower because they are like a load on the server. So right now we have our Astra theme selected, so I wanted to come up here and click on this get started, where you see thank you for installing Astra. So all you need to do is click on get started. It's activating. Okay, so we are going to be using the Elementor page builder. It is completely free, although it has the paid version, but we don't need the paid version for this. We only need the free version of this. Okay, so in case you didn't see that tab where it says get started with the Astra site, you can always come back to plugin and then click on admin, and then you just do starter site, search for the word starter site, and then it pops up here. So you can see it's already activated when I click on that get started button there. So in case you didn't see it there, or maybe you mistakenly hit this icon right here, which is a close button, you can just come down to plugin, add new, and search for starter site, or to be specific you can say Astra starter site. So it brings back this block. You just click on install and activate. So once it's done, you want to hover over the appearance here again, and then come down to starter template. So right here I'm going to search for fitness. As you can see, we have our website templates right here. Okay, so all you need to do right here is click on import complete site. You can actually view it. You can click on the view preview button here to see what you are actually importing into your website. So if it is what you actually plan to install, you can just come back and click on import complete site. If you already have a template installed before, you might want to click on this delete previous imported site. I want to check it, but since I have no template installed already, I'm just going to leave that unchecked and leave every other thing checked. So I'm going to hit the import button, and then this might take up to 10-15 minutes, but it's worth the wait. So just hold on, it's worth the wait. Okay, it's importing the Elementor plugin right now. Once it's installed, it should be automatically activated for you. Still importing, still installing. Okay, successfully activated. Now let's wait for the other plugin and then the template to be installed or imported rather. Okay, it's importing the forms, the content. Just have to wait a few more minutes. And then we are all done. So guys, that is pretty much everything. Just click on this button to view your website, or you can just come right here and type in your URL. Open a new tab and type in your URL. Mine is trainer.cf, right? So let's see what we get. Wow, and this is our website. So this is exactly what I showed us from the beginning. Oh, it's still loading the picture here. Let me hit the refresh button. Okay, so here you have it. Client area, what people say and all that. So this is pretty much the website I showed us in the intro. So when you click on the About Me, it takes you to the About Me section. When you click on the Training, it takes you to the Training section. When you click on the Rates, it takes you to the Rate. And then the Gallery, it takes you to the Gallery, and so on and so forth. So in order to customize this to your own taste, your name, and then your brand, all you need to do is simply come down to where it says, come up to where it says edit with Elementor, and then just click on it. Okay, so guys, this is Elementor, the awesome page builder. So what you'll be doing is you can simply edit this text you see right here, the name Christy Dawson. If I want to put mine, you can actually type in here, or you can come in directly on the image and do your typing. So what I want to do right here is type in let's see, Gabriel perfect. Okay, you see how simple it is. This About Me section, you can actually click on. If you want to edit any section, you see this little blue icon here. This is how you edit any section. So when you click on it, it appears here. Got it? And when you click on this, it appears on your left hand panel, where you can make all adjustments and editing you want. So right here, I can just click, I can just say if I want to change the button text, I can say About Gabriel. So just to give you an idea how this page builder works. So guys, this is pretty much it. Let's see if you want to create, if you want to edit any section, maybe this text right here, personal trainer. You can come right here and say, hi, I am the trainer here, and I've been into this for a long time. Talking about let's say 9 years down the line, and we're still counting. So that is pretty much how you make all edits right here. And as soon as you're done with it, just click on update. Let's show you how you can actually change pictures and images. So if you want to change the image in this background, maybe to yours, you can just click on this blue 6 dots at the top here, and then come down to style, and then you want to click on this image right here, and all you need to do is locate where your picture is on your desktop or any folder you put it, and just drag in the picture right here. As soon as you drag it in right here, it appears on your library, so you can just pick it up. You can just click on it and then click insert. So that's how you change the image in this section. Click on it and then click on insert. Okay, so alright guys, I guess that's it for today. Making the picture is as simple as that. Okay, that's it. You get the idea. Any part you want to change, just click on this blue pen icon right here, or pencil icon. Once you click on it, it brings it up here for you, so you can make the few edits and adjustments you want to make to any section. So let's say you want to change the picture in this section. Let's first of all locate where it is. Okay, this is not in these 3 dots. Where you can find this is actually in the column. They put the picture in the column. So this is the picture right here, and then this is the setting they made it. It's center for it. This one as well is in the column, so you can just click on them and edit them to your taste as you want. You can make your own pictures, maybe with Photoshop and whatever software you use in creating your own designs. So that's pretty much how you create your own designs. Right here in the gallery section, you can just, as you can see, we only have this one image working. So all you can do is delete all this and then click on add to gallery. You can just come down here and then select random picture for the purpose of this tutorial, and then click on add to gallery and insert gallery. So as you scroll, you see it starts opening up. As you scroll, it starts opening up. So that is how you create a website from scratch. Alright guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna hit the update button right here, and if I want to see what I did, if you guys want to see the editing, the changes you've made, just click on this little eye icon here that says preview changes. It opens in another tab, and then you can see the changes you've made. You can see my name, Gabriel. Perfect. So everything works fine. You can see the picture we added here. It's all there. Before we only have this one, but now we were able to add in more text. Of course, you want to make the picture the exact size. You want to make all the pictures the exact size. So that's it guys. Once again, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload the new content. I'm a graphic designer, I'm a web designer, so I'll be uploading some graphic design content using Photoshop Adobe Illustrator, Adobe XD, and that's it. So please hit the subscribe button and then the like button. Thank you.